Hello everyone, my name is Yu. Here I introduce our latest work, High-Fidelity and Freely Controllable Talking Head Video Generation. Talking head generation is to generate video based on a given source identity and target motion. However, current methods face several challenges that limit the quality and controllability of the generated videos. First, the generated face often has unexpected deformation and severe distortions. Second, the driving image does not explicitly disentangle movement-relevant information, such as poses and expressions, which restricts the manipulation of different attributes during generation. Third, the generated videos tend to have flickering artifacts due to the inconsistency of the extracted landmarks between adjacent frames. In this paper, we propose a novel model that produces high-fidelity talking head videos with free control over head pose and expression, achieving state-of-the-art results. Now, let's discuss the introduction part. Currently, the mainstream works follow a self-supervised learning pipeline. They mainly utilize the self-supervised learned landmarks to model the movement of the identity between the source and driving images. The learned landmarks pairs are first detected from both source and driving images, and then the dense flow field is estimated from the two sets of learned landmarks to transform the source features and guide the reconstruction of the driving image. As mentioned before, there are three challenges with the existing methods: unexpected face distortions, difficult to decouple and manipulate the movement information, unnatural and flickering videos. For the unexpected face distortions, the learned landmarks-based approaches utilize only the 2D learned landmarks without face shape constraints, produces frontalization results with apparent face distortions. The predefined landmarks-based methods model the motion only based on the predefined facial landmarks, leading to the non-facial parts of the head are not well handled. All the movement information needs to be obtained via one single driving image. It is rare and difficult to decouple and manipulate the motion information when generating the new image. To achieve smooth and natural movements in generated videos, prior methods typically incorporate techniques to smoothen the extracted landmarks learned between adjacent frames. However, the sensitivity and inconsistency of the extracted landmarks pose a challenge in achieving smoothness, resulting in generated videos that are prone to flickering. We propose a novel method, PC Head, that generates high-fidelity face reenactment results in talking head videos. We incorporate the learned and predefined face landmarks for global and local motion estimation. We introduce a video-based pipeline to further improve the smoothness and naturalness of the generated videos. Next, I will describe our method. Our method contains 4 parts: generator G, face shape reconstructor R, head pose-aware keypoint estimator E, and multiscale discriminator D. We first extract the face coefficients and predefined landmarks through R. Then, we estimate the learned landmarks through E with the head pose and expression as conditions. The generator G takes the predefined and learned landmarks pairs to estimate the dense flow and generates the results. The multiscale patch discriminator D is utilized to encourage the generator G produce more realistic frames. Our model is trained with the reconstruction task. The pixel-wise loss is employed to ensure the synthesis frames are similar to the driving frames. We use a pre-trained VGG to guarantee consistency of high-level characteristics. The learned landmarks loss is used to encourage the estimated learned landmarks to spread out across the whole frame. The equivariance loss is applied to constrain the consistency of the E. The warping loss is designed to ensure the motion estimators to predict the deformations reasonably. We adopt the hinge loss as our adversarial loss. We follow the standard GN practice to train the model. Now, let's talk about the experiments. We evaluate our model on 4 datasets and compare our model with 7 representative methods. The metrics used for evaluation include 3 types: reconstruction faithfulness, visual quality, and semantic consistency. We compare our models with state-of-the-art techniques for same identity video reconstruction, where the source and driving frames depict the same individual. Quantitative results are presented in Table 1, qualitative results are shown in this figure. Our models demonstrate significant improvements across all metrics, preserving facial shape while accurately transferring facial expressions compared to existing techniques. We conducted experiments to explore cross-identity motion transfer, where the source and driving frames depict different individuals. Our method outperforms other techniques with the highest identity preservation ability and video quality, as well as the lowest pose angle and expression error. For head pose editing, we compare the performance of frontalization. For expression editing, we compare the performance of expression transfer. Although the OSFV has slightly better FID scores, it cannot manipulate the pose and expression well. The face-to-face row fails to estimate the flow field, causing poor results. To validate the effectiveness of each component, we conducted several ablation studies. The results revealed three important conclusions. Firstly, utilizing both self-supervised learned landmarks and predefined landmarks is crucial to avoid face distortion and obtain high-quality results. Secondly, the motion-aware multi-scale feature alignment module effectively aligns features from different scales, resulting in high-quality outcomes. Lastly, the context adaptation and propagation module propagates context information across frames, improving the smoothness of video synthesis. Finally, we demonstrate the strong capability of PEC head by editing wild face images downloaded from the internet. Our method can generate the face with desired head poses and expressions by changing the values of head pose and expression. Now, let's draw a conclusion. In this work, we present a novel method called PEC head, which generates high-fidelity talking head videos with free control over head pose and expression. Leveraging both learned and predefined landmarks, we introduce a motion-aware multi-scale feature alignment module to model global and local movements simultaneously. Furthermore, to improve the smoothness and naturalness of video synthesis, we introduce a context adaptation and propagation module that adapts the context of previous frames. Our method outperforms existing approaches in face reenactment and controllable talking head generation, achieving state-of-the-art results. Thanks for your attention. For more information, please reach the project website or contact me.